Hello, welcome to Anju Risa channel. I'm Trisa and you can call me Risa. And today I will show you how to turn this hair tie into a beautiful scrunchies like this. Stay tuned. The first thing is to choose your own fabric. For a beginners, I always recommend you to use cotton fabric because it's the easiest fabric to sew. But if you sew regularly, then I will suggest you to use satin fabric because using satin fabric to tie our hair, the mark is less visible once we take off the scrunchies. So I will write the size in centimeters and inches below here. The first thing is I will use a safety pin and I will pin it from here. This is to make it easy for us to turn the fabric for later. Next, take the hair ties. Just slide the hair tie to this. And we are going to sew all along the fabric. But please leave an opening about an inch here at the edge here and on the other edge about an inch. Let's take this to the sewing machine. So I will start sewing from here. We just sew all along the edge. Remember to do a back stitch. And you can just take the fabric and slide it through the hair ties. We can just sew the edge. Continue sewing the edge. Remember that when you are adjusting the fabric and you want to take out the fabric from the hair ties, leave the needle down so you can have a really straight line. And when you reach the end of the fabric, leave an opening about an inch here. It's not an opening, it's don't sew until the end. It's like this, don't sew the edge here. Now we are going to turn the fabric using this safety pin that we attached on the beginning. Just push the safety pin through here. It's easy if we attach the safety pin. Now I will take off the safety pin. Now make sure that the fabric isn't twisted. As you can see the seam. As you can see the seam here. Let me take this. As you can see the seam here, make sure that it doesn't twist it because we are going to finish the end of the fabric. Now take the end of the fabric, put it together, and we are going to sew a straight line right here. It would be a little curvy right here, so I will use the edge of the fabric as my seam allowance. Take this and sew it. As you can see, this is the line that we just sewed, and it would be a little curvy, so I use the edge of the fabric as my seam allowance. Just tuck this inside. It's like this. Now I'm going to sew an invisible stitch right on the opening. Let's take the needle and thread. I will sew an invisible stitch. First, let me get to here. After I sew the upper part here, I will sew the bottom part here. This. Sew it. sew the upper part again. So we just sew it back and forth until the end of the opening. So the lower part, upper part, so when you reach the end of the opening, just secure the thread about once or twice. I just do it twice, once and then twice, and then just hide the thread inside the scrunchies here, and you can just cut it off, and the thread is perfectly hid. That's it. Our simple scrunchies is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and comment below about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!